It's your girl Britt, aka RockYourGlory. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe to this channel. Thank you guys for watching. Coming through for your girl. So today I will be doing a Christmas look with you guys. Today I'm going to be doing my makeup in front of y'all for the first time. I'm going to be changing my clothes into my Christmas clothes. And I'm going to be taking down this twist out, so it's all going to be in one video. And yeah, so let's go ahead and do that. Let's go ahead and do something new with the channel. Let's do something different with the channel. So please do not dog me out on the comments. This is I am a beginner makeover person, a beginner makeup person. Only put makeup on just for the YouTube or whatever, but I do not wear it every day in my personal life. But yeah, twist out. These twists been in for 3 days straight. I already know what I use. CurlDaze HairCare, baby. This on. What y'all thought? Y'all thought I was gonna use something else? Y'all thought I was gonna use something else? No, I used the CurlDaze Creamy Styler. The Creamy Curl Styler. What you thought? You thought I was gonna use something else? My code is in the description box. Make sure you use that boy if you wanna try these products out and get some percentage off, okay? So yeah, guys, let's get it popping. The first thing I'm gonna do is use No Pore Blend Primer.
This is me applying the primer to my face.
So the second thing I'm going to do is I'm going to start on my eyebrows. Okay, y'all see these boys? They're not arched at all, like they jacked up.
I'm using my e.l.f. brush to prepare my eyebrows to be done, so I'm brushing my eyebrows right now. Now I am darkening my eyebrows a little bit on both of them, so I'm just showing you just one side of it, of me darkening it. Then the next thing I'm applying is the concealer, and I'm using my brush to smooth it out. So that's what I'm doing next. And I'm just hiding those hairs that haven't been arched yet at the bottom and at the top, you feel me? To make it look like it's an eyebrow that is really not, you know? Now I'm applying concealer in certain areas in my face. And yeah, so that's what I do. I apply that so it can blend better with the foundation that I will put on in the next couple clips. I am patting the concealer on my face, so that's what I'm doing right now. You feel me? I'm patting it, and then I'm putting just a little bit more, and I'm patting it again. People told me to do the sponge effect because it make your face look like it's more natural. So now I'm just applying the foundation in areas that is a little bit darker in my face, and I'm patting it as well, doing the sponge method. Now you see me applying the brown eyeshadow in this area of my face, so I'm just putting brown eyeshadow on my eyelids. That's what I'm doing right now.
Comment below if you have a hairy face. I have sideburns, mustache, all that. Comment below. I wish God didn't give us all this hair. I want it only on my head. That's it. I don't want it in other areas. I just want it on my head. You know what I'm saying? Like, why did he have to put hair everywhere? You know what I'm saying? Like, I don't know. He got his reasons.
Now you see me applying the mascara on my eyelashes. You feel me? Gotta make them boys pop. You feel what I'm saying? Now you see me applying the eyeliner on my bottom part, bro. My eyes kept tearing up, bro. I don't know why, but they kept tearing up when I was applying both eyeliners. I'm applying this liquid eyeliner on my eye as well. So that's what I'm doing right now. Like I said, it was so hard, but I got it done, you know. I'm just grabbing my red lipstick, my little red lipstick I get from Dollar Tree in them. You know what I'm saying? I'm putting it on my lips, you feel me? Now I'm just adding a little bit of glitter to my eyes. And I'm applying some blush.
Hi, I'm taking out my hair, and yeah, so I'm gonna speed up this part of the video because you guys see me do so many twist outs so much. So yeah, let me speed up this part of the video.
Right now you see me taking down my twist. Of course I take it down regularly, take it apart, and then separate where it's easily to separate at. So I repeat it again. I take it down and I separate it where it's easily to separate. So that's what I'm doing right now with this twist out. So yeah. Now you see me taking down my last couple of twists. I just wanted to show you guys a little normal speed of those. So I'm just taking my time to separate it. So yeah, let me know in the comments how you take down your twist outs. Now I'm showing you guys my hair when it's all taken down. And yeah, now I'm preparing to put on this headband I got from Dollar Tree with the claws at the top. Cute, right? Cute, cute for this Christmas season. Well, this is my final look. Your girl look really festive. So I got some pajamas on I got from OldNavy. Let me know how you like this style on me. Let me know how you like this look on your girl. This is the end of my video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. Thank you guys for watching and coming through for your girl, AAA. So yeah, girl, let me know how you like this video. You know what I'm saying? Let me know how you feel about this look. Will you be doing a Christmas look this year? Let me know in the comments. Until next time, take care of yourselves and each other, and deuces.